It was already for a while that I was in my, I felt I was in my comfort zone, and I felt I was missing something in my life. And Luke's book, Inner Revolution, just came across my readings. I downloaded it from the internet, and I started to read it. And after 2, 3 chapters, I felt it. I felt it. I knew that it was something that was changing in me. I could see that my life under another perspective. I even could take some decisions that I put there, stand by, because by his experience in the book, he also took some experience and he said, just let put in standby for 1, 2 years, whatever, and then let your intuition, your signs, your guidance come, and you'll see if that decisions are really true, are really true, are really from your inside. So, if you also are in that point of your life that you want something else, that you want something meaningful, just read the book.